Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 66 Chevelle with a big block under the hood, and that's hooked up for a 4-speed automatic transmission. She is looking absolutely beautiful in this blue. Out here in the sun, the metallic is absolutely sparkling. We got great looking brand new chrome on the front. All the stainless and all the aluminum's all polished up, looking good. The body lines on the hood are looking sweet. And I tell you, we've got all kind of sparkle in that paint, just looking absolutely gorgeous. We got great looking wheels and tires on this thing. Those Kragers really set it off. Back in the day, I wish I could have afforded a set of those Kragers, because I'd have had them on my car, because everybody loves some Kragers. That door's lined up real nice. That line's looking real nice. All the stainless and the chrome here looking sweet. The door's all lined up real nice here. That body line's looking real good. And then look at the black interior, man. You want to talk about sweet? This is muscle car interior right here. All the chrome on the dash looking good. We got seat belts in the front and in the rear. She's looking beautiful. We got the boot on the convertible top here. Got some extra gauges under the dash there too. I'm going to grab the keys out of the ignition here so we can take a real quick look inside the trunk. Looks like an aftermarket radio. Looks like brand new carpeting. Just as slick and smooth as can be. Super Sport emblem looks like it's brand new. The chrome on the back bumper looks new. All the tail panel back here looks like it's all, that trim is all aluminum, looking good. Now, believe it or not, it's the square key that opens up the trunk. That's normally not the way it is. Usually it's the round key. You can see the floors all looking good here. Beautiful. We got great looking paint on the bottom side of the deck lid. We got the stickers here. You can see they had the latch out when they did the restoration. Looks like the spare tires in there. As you're looking down this side, also just looking beautiful. Straight as can be. That passenger door fits just as nice as the driver's door does. It's nice and flush with the quarter panel, nice and flush with the front fender. She is a beauty. Now, the antenna's been removed for shipping right now. There'll be an antenna on this baby when it hits your driveway. So guys, give us a call at 248-974-9513, and Tom will tell you all about this beautiful convertible. All right, 66 Chevelle time, baby. Big block under the hood, 4-speed automatic, killer exhaust system on this thing. We got the top down and we are headed to the beach, baby. She's looking sweet. Or the ice cream shop, or the grocery store. Take this baby anywhere. Show off a little bit. She's sounding amazing. Take this dude to Cars and Coffee on the weekend. And if it's anything like around my house, there's like a car show just about every night in the summertime. So there's always some place to go. Of course, we're gonna have the 4th of July parade here real soon. You can take her there. Tell you what, it's an awesome car, sounding amazing. And don't forget, we can send it anywhere in the world. You just give Tom a call. He'll explain to you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. It doesn't matter where you live. He can also help you out with financing, so don't worry about that. And he'll do all the paperwork for you. All you got to do is make that phone call. Of course, look at these guys are all cranking their heads around checking this thing out. Now down here on the dash, looks like the speedo's working. We got the fuel gauge over there. We got a tack mounted down here. We got a 3-pack of gauges underneath the dash. This 4-speed automatic trans is working great, man. Just going through the gears nice and smooth. Real nice cruiser right here. Then this is an electric top. The buttons right here by your left knee are just to the left of the steering column, underneath the dash just a little bit. Real easy to find. So we're gonna head back to the shop where we're gonna put this baby up on the lift so you can check out the bottom side. And no, I did not put those black marks on the concrete. I may have put some over on our driveway. Now at Vanguard, we put every car up on the lift, not just the nice ones. We put them all up there. Of course, all of them are nice ones. That's one of the reasons we can do that. We'd love to have you come check it out in person or send an inspector. Just let us know you and or your inspector's coming. If you need to fly out, no problem. The airport's real close. So stick with us. We're gonna put this one up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this 66 now, and as you can see, it's got a new gas tank in it. You can see the exhaust is stainless steel and polished, at least the last couple feet of it is. It's all mandrel bent also. You can see new shocks here. Looks like the bushings are fairly new. Do have drum brakes, and the guys do pull those apart, make sure they're in good working order. We got a nice chrome cover on the diff here. 331 gear, and it is posi. We got a sway bar on here also. Some big old Flowmaster mufflers. We got the real nice hangers here also. Looks like we got 3-inch exhaust up here also. They've used the clamps that are real easy to get off. That doesn't pinch down on the pipe, so if you ever want to pull this apart, it's a little easier to pull apart with these band type clamps. We got the 4-speed automatic here. That's very cool. We got jet coated headers. We got disc brakes up front, stock appearing starter on it. Big sway bar up front here. The guys will check out all the steering gear, make sure it's all in good working order. Everything under here is nice and clean. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Core support's in good shape. Back bumper, or this is the front bumper. The front bumper is nice and chromed, looking sweet. It's definitely either a re-chromed unit or a new one. Tires look like they're fairly new. I still see nubblies on them. We got good looking Kragers here. We got two 25/60 15s. And as you look at this blue paint, she's looking sweet. We got a nice rocker molding here also. Frame's in good shape also. You always want to check out this front section of frame right here. Bottom side, the pinch weld, all looks good, nice and solid, nice and clean. And then of course out back, we got some more rubber on the ground. These are 255/60 15s. Again, good looking Kragers. And these, I still feel nubblies on these too, so these are also brand new. Let's lower it down and we'll look under the hood right now. All right, under the hood here, we got big block power, all looking sweet. 396 with a big Edelbrock intake on there, all aluminum, looking good. It's got a Phi-Tech fuel injection setup on top. Looks like Flowmaster headers. We got great looking aluminum water pump there. Looks like a new alternator. All the bracketry here is all chromed up, looking good. The valve covers are all chromed up, looking good. It's got stock air conditioning on it. Looks like it's got a brand new AC Delco battery there also. We got power brakes, power steering. Radiator looks like it's a rebuilt unit also. We got nice paint on the bottom side of the hood. Looks like we've got replacement fiberglass under there also. This thing's ready to go, guys. She's running great. I was just out driving it today. Beautiful, beautiful day to get out and drive a convertible. Big block power, 4-speed automatic, posi out back. Guys, give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.